We rolled up to this abandoned lodge because there's abundance of fruit here. So we're gonna pick some fruit and then we're going on a monkey hunt and hopefully we'll give the fruit to the monkeys and be up close and personal with me friends. Monkey friends.
Oh, I thought you were talking about this friend.
No, I was talking about monkey friends and then I pointed to you because you're a monkey friend.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I guess we're trying to MacGyver some fruit down. We have these rods and Larry found a net.
Oh, it's not guava. It's
Guava.
Oh, guava.
Guava is
Oh.
Mystery fruit.
Oh, yes. We got it. Well, he got it. Yes.
Nice.
The prize fruit.
Monkey feed. That looks structurally sound.
Engineering.
Yeah.
At its finest.
Engineer Larry.
Can you juggle?
Yeah.
Ooh, now I'm the cameraman.
Do some juggling.
Damn, yes. Oh, showing off now. Come on. Then we got Larry trying to get the bean-like thing.
It is really hanging on there for dear life. Holy. There are your
Wait.
fruits.
Can
It's
you?
a lot of fruit. It's a big thing. Larry, I think you gotta climb it, bro. Yes. You got it.
Woo!
Man 1, wild 0.
Oh,
Let's
good.
sing. Look at this fruit.
What the fuck? It looks like a cucumber or some shit.
But apparently monkeys love it. It's your wizard staff. Look at the. Oh, you got them, but they're literally biting me through my shirt.
Oh, there's so much blood on your arm now. Do you want me to like spray your shirt?
Yeah, I'm gonna put on my long sleeve soon.
Okay.
Larry must be getting it bad.
My hands are like covered in blood now.
You're only here to be my personal mosquito
Well,
swatter.
I can't like see you being
Ugh.
covered in mosquitoes and not do anything about it.
Look how many
So
are
much
biting through my
Over
shirt.
here.
Like,
Oh, sorry.
That's like-
There's. Oh my god, they're really going at it with the blood.
yeah. Hello, boyo. We just
It
got.
landed in monkey school.
We just got the boat here. There's already a good boy. He's looking at us. He knows. I think he knows we got something for him.
Come on, let's go, let's go.
You're excited.
Vámonos, vámonos.
Oh, there's a bunch. I think we're gonna be ambushed. It's gonna try to steal from you.
You want the fruit? Oh my god. Oh my god!
It's good.
Do I give it to him?
Yes, give it to him. Give it to him. Hand it to him. Just here. Give. No, you should have handed it.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah. This is like the coolest fucking thing ever.
And now it's pissing.
Oh yeah. He is.
Here, can I have one?
Yeah.
Oh, it's cute the way it eats.
Yes.
You kind of owe us some modeling now that we fed you. He's gonna steal from you. He's gonna steal from you if you don't be careful.
Hello.
He's gonna.
He's holding himself by his tail. Hello.
But he also might try to steal my GoPro. Okay. Oh, you got some stuff too. Compared to like monkeys I've seen in the city, like they're very calm. They're not like aggressive at all. Like a monkey in the city will come up to you and like hiss at you and like.
Do they bite?
Yeah, right.
Oh my god.
Up.
That was so fucking cool.
What are these called, Larry?
Which one?
The one I just fed?
Woolly.
Woolly monkey. He's coming up to you. Do you have one out of your pocket?
No, not yet. I just have the long bean. Hey, hey, bro. Hello. How you guys?
Woolly monkey.
Alice.
Yeah.
Uh,
Oh.
take it easy.
Oh my God. You see it?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Ah! Come here. Come back.
No.
What did scream?
And try to stand up.
Look, I'm trying to fake her out. Look, hand in my pocket, grab something. It doesn't work. It's worked on other monkeys before. Look at the tail, how the tail just wraps
Yeah,
around.
It's like a branch tail, very strong. Little monkey, sleepy monkey.
Oh, that was a cool yawn. Oh, you're just
Oh, you're
chilling.
posing.
Awesome for you, the photo.
Oh, thank you, buddy. Thank you. Hey. Yeah.
Hello.
She's the leader.
She's the lead. You literally, wait, I think you
Wait,
got some on you.
Ready? Monkey face. Do we look like each other? Yeah, come here. See it?
Here.
Oh my God! Ah!
Don't scream.
Oh my God! You messed up my hair!
Wanna come for a boat ride, monkey? Wonder if you fed them enough if they'd come on the boat with us. You know, we're just vibing on the boat with a bunch of monkeys. Oh my lord. What in the... Look at what he's MacGyvering right now.
What is he doing?
He just tied it.
Oh my
You
God.
might see anything.
We left it on this rope for you. Oh,
Oh no, he dropped it!
here. Drop it back down. Drop it back down. I'll hook it up for you. Here. Yeah, there you go. There you go. I think he gets it. I think you understand. Does this family always stay in this one spot?
Sometimes stay here, sometimes stay on the other side of the river, sometimes deeper there.
And how many families do you think there are, like in this part?
There are like 8 woolly monkeys, so there's another family, so squirrel monkeys, monksaki, dusk, titty monkeys, and marmoset monkey. They are in this area.
Mm.
Oh, hey!
But they are not in the
How you
same
doing?
place. They
Mhm.
stay everywhere
Hello.
in this area.
Yeah, are they territorial?
All the monkeys territorial. That's why this is the river Yarapa, the other side is the Comasero River. This is like an island.
Mm-hmm.
Hey! No? You don't want it? Okay.
You know how old it is?
Well, not exactly, but it's like 200 years.
200
I know
years.
it's 300, 400 years. Yeah, this is Kapinori tree, really big trees. All the time, big root upside.
It's just the way it looks at the bottom. It's like a butterfly
So cool,
Yeah.
right?
spreading its wings.
Like a moth.
It feels like a cathedral, like a cathedral root. Look at it. We're surrounded by this huge root. Put a tarp over it and make a little shelter.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
If somebody's lost.
Yeah, it'd be a good place for shelter.
Yeah, but this is still a small, but giant tree is small because another place they are much bigger. This kind of tree, this tree has around like 600 years since the germination from the ground until the tops getting more than 30 meters tall.
600 years.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
That's an old tree, man.
If you have a grandparent that was alive during World War I, this tree is 6 times older than that person. And it's
Wow.
30 meters high. It, I mean, I'm not no treeatologist, but I feel like it's kind of on its last leg if you look at its core. This is where the water comes up to in the wetter season.
The water level here.
Like 2 feet higher than Larry over there. You can see it with the white. We made our way to this marshy swamp area. Apparently, find anacondas here. Anacondas literally strangle humans to death. So cross our lucky fingers that we all make it out of this one alive. Plan is to find an anaconda, and I'm gonna take it and stick me thumb right up its butthole. Even the trees adapt to the elements here, and they form themselves massive prickly spikes. They're actually quite sharp. Some of them have those really long and pointy ones, some have little fat ones that are hard and solid that will impale you quite nicely.
Yep, they hurt.
You got one?
Yeah.
It's not just the animals that are treacherous out here.
Oh my god.
Don't get pinched. Did you see one?
No, I hear. I don't know where.
If we go near them, will their mom attack us?
No, not really.
But if we go too close, they're just...
Red howler monkey.
Oh, I've seen the howler monkeys up close. Have you ever caught a caiman just like that, like a little baby?
It's a little baby. It's almost like 2 weeks born.
Can you catch them?
Can you?
Can you? Should I?
I can. You can too.
Should I just pick it up?
Yes.
But will it...
Like this.
But do they bite?
No, really. It's small.
Gotcha. Now I'm gonna stick my thumb up its battle. Look at my feet right now. Got the damn caiman.
Let's take a big picture.
Do you want to hold him?
Yeah, 1 sec. I'm just falling in the mud.
I hope your mom doesn't come by and try to bite my leg off. You got it?
Yeah.
Who's next?
I can't move.
Oh my god, getting out of this bitch is hard. But there's a lot of little baby caimans. Like a bunch over here. Maybe I can catch some more. Gotcha. Got me my second caiman of the night. Of course. Dude, these things are absolutely adorable. Bite it. Mwah. They're just tiny little crocodigators, but they won't snip at you or bite you. I wonder how good you taste. There you go. Go back. Go back.
Look.
Did you catch it?
Yeah.
Good job.
I can catch him too. God, it's not just you.
Oh my lord.
Okay.
Right now, we're going into the Amazon late at night when all the creepy crawlies come out. In the day, that was child's play. What's that? Monkeys? Freaking dolphins? Nah. We talking bird spiders. You know why they call bird spiders? They literally eat birds. Snakes, cobras, Dracula, maybe a pterodactyl.
These aren't things.
Yeah,
They're real.
I hear the Yeti even out here. All right, let's do this. If I actually had a tent, camping out here wouldn't be too shabby. But
There's a jaguar outside your tent.
I'd love to just not make noise and get a little sound bit of this because it's crazy. The sounds of the Amazon at night are quite intense. But look at the pipeline of ants.
Yeah.
Start them down here, and they go up
Everywhere.
around here. They're big. I bet they suck if they bite you.
Always hearing the larvae in the breast.
Oof. Oh, it's big.
It is kind of cavities or sometimes rag.
What kind of spot? Oh, it just left. Well, now it's on your head.
Fuck you off!
Oh my god.
I hate spiders. I don't do that.
I mean, you're pretty comfortable around that one.
Yeah, because it was at a distance.
Got him.
Asshole.
Wow.
Fuck.
Is it gonna go in your hand? Is it safe to put on you?
Yeah.
Can I put it on my arm or like
Yeah,
my
sure.
shoulder? Can you?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Where'd it go? Oh my god.
That was cool. Oh my lord. That was awesome. Oh, that's really smart. The way you do that is genius. Ah, he's too high now. Oh, he got it. He got it.
Shit.
Wow. You want to put him on my head?
Do it.
Yep.
Sure.
Wait.
See there?
Where'd it go?
You can-
Behind the leg. Oh, jump.
Oh, right there. I hope you had fun on my head, sir.
It's really small. They're bigger.
Oh, I want to see a bigger
yeah,
one
there's
now.
a bigger one.
No, this one's perfect, guys. Just the right size.